play with her first.
So foreplay is very
So
important.
when you start playing, that is when if you do not know, she's going to teach you.
Because now there's this thing that once trended on TikTok where Zulu man said, I mean, I'm going to explain to you what it means. Mina lent angikhothi mina. Never. Angikhothi bese ngiqedile ngihambe ngiyemsamo ngiyokhuluma nabomkhulu bami. It means that I would never muff a woman and go in where I talk to my ancestors with the same mouth that have muffed someone. So I don't do that. So
that is when they are dealing with spiritualism and spirituality.
But what does that has to do? Your mouth. What does it has to do with muffing and going?
It is just a respect. Some people have that belief.
Oh
so
wow!
They don't do the stuff.
Then it means that you shouldn't do sex at all. Then if that's the case.
Then how do you produce? How do you reproduce?
But what? Like I don't understand where the purity comes from. When it's just a mouth your private parts combining.
Wait. Do you see dogs licking before starting that?
Your dog is always naked in my eyes.
Not even animals do that. It's overlearning and trying to know more than you know.
So we shouldn't do such things as your blowjobs and
we
your
are humans. Some people have certain beliefs, so know your partner.
Because you know why?
Because he cannot do that. Do you know why?
Why?
You women are very powerful.
Okay.
Because creatures that can bleed every month and still walk normal like nothing happened. You people are very dangerous.